Yeah. Hi, welcome to ISE. I'm Andreas and you're at the INFiLED booth. I'm responsible for sales in Europe for our products, and today I want to introduce you to our virtual production solution. And we offer a full set of LED for the virtual production studio market. It can be used either for newsrooms and for production studios. We use it a lot for filming. These days filming is done in kind of these studios, and for this market, we offer the LED screen, but we have many partners to offer our system integrators complete solution. We are partnering up with companies like ARRI for the lighting and with Canon for the camera systems that we need here. And we work together with Brompton for the controlling. So we have many partners and we help our system integrators to offer the complete solution to the end user. If you need more information, please call us anytime or visit us at infiled.com. Thank you very much.